This is Tridip and you are watching Learn with Tridip.
Hey guys, what's up? As promised, in this presentation, I will show you how morph transition can be used in a very useful way inside PowerPoint to create fantastic animations. Be it 2D, 3D, anything can be done using a very special tool, very hidden tool, and a very intuitive tool of PowerPoint, that is the morph transition. Well, Microsoft PowerPoint has not paid me to say good words about their product. It is just for your benefit. I am showing you how easily you can create awesome animations inside PowerPoint using the very special morph transition. So before we start how to create this animation, let me show you that what morph transition can do. So let's get started. Wow, a full 360-degree rotation done within seconds inside Microsoft PowerPoint. A landscape rotation showing each and every section of the landscape can so easily be done in Microsoft PowerPoint using the morph transition. Isn't it awesome? So let's understand how easily we can do it, and by the end of this presentation you will all be doing fantastic morph animation with your own creativity. So let's get started. So like all my other presentation, I will not spend too much time in showing you how to create layouts that you are already doing in your presentation. I will just copy paste stuff and go fast on those part of this thing, and I will show you the exact animation part in this presentation. So let's get started. I click and create a new presentation. Good. Okay dokie. I will open a blank presentation, blank layout. What I will do, I will just do a small copy paste of the layouts that I have already created. I don't want to go in depth in layout creating process and waste our time. The basic things I will just copy paste. And what I will do, I will copy the slides 5 times. I will change this color to say red. I will change this color to say the yellow. I will just follow the same pattern that I had created earlier. Purple. So I have 5 slides, the first 2 having the same colors and the rest 3 having 3 different colors. Now is very important, as I showed that this 3D model can be rotated. See how it can be rotated. Before that we need to understand first, right, that from where I can get this 3D model. That is very important. So go to insert, click on 3D models, and in the right hand side you find there are so many 3D models over here. So since I am showing you this stiletto over here, I will just click on clothing, scroll down a bit, find the stilettos and click on insert. It will quickly get imported right at the center of the screen, and if you wish you can move it anywhere. For our presentation purpose, I will keep it right at the center of the screen. What I will do also, I will copy this stiletto and paste on all the screens. Right? What I will also do, I will go to the second screen and either I can rotate it my way like this, or I can also go to 3D model and select the back of the stiletto like this. Okay, so now I will go to the third screen. I will just take it to the right or the left as you see it. I will keep this like this as it is, and this one I will rotate to the right or left the way you see it. Simple. So now what I will do, nothing. I need not to animate anything. I will just select all these 5 screens, go to transition, select morph transition from it. I don't want to actually have it on mouse click. I will turn it off. I will click on the automatic transition and after, and I will just select say 0.4 seconds and it's done. I will just go and quickly play it. Wow, so that simple it is. A 3D movement which takes a lot of time if you are using 3D Studio Max or Maya or any 3D animation software, and if you really want to animate the time frame, it's too much of a tedious job. But over here the morph animation does it simply without you inserting a single keyframe. Isn't it awesome? What I will also show you is that how text animation, which is 2D animation, can happen. So I will just copy this text. So let's see, it is a Steve Madden product. I will just showcase this product in our presentation. I will go to the first slide and paste it. Second slide, I will again paste it. So there is no animation happening over here. In the fourth slide, what I will do, I will say I will copy this cost from here and say I paste it in both fourth and fifth. Okay, yeah, obviously I also want these two things to be copied and pasted. Perfect. I also want that in the fifth slide this cost will appear. I will click on this and I will simply put it outside the screen at the bottom. I will just check if still morph is there. Yes, morph is still there because we have not changed anything, and let's see what happens. The color also changes on the right hand side. And see, as soon as the fifth slide comes in, the product cost also comes in. You can give it a stay, that is totally up to you. I am not going into nitty-gritty. I am just showing a very simple way how you can animate without actually doing the animation. Let us now show you the other part. So I am not taking you through the process how to import 3D models from here. So you can see there's a lot many 3D models that is there. The dioramas are over here. So for our presentation, I took this particular scene. I will not go and import the scene again, because since it is quite detailed 3D model, it will take a lot of time. So what I will do, I will go and copy all these 4 frames or slides from here, and I will paste in our presentation. So if you see, I have just changed the background. I have brought this scene, it is the same, this diorama, and what I have done in this particular slide, I have rotated it so the spring that falls over here goes at the back side of the thing. And let's see what happens in these 2 frames. Also, I will show you there is another option in 3D model. You click on 3D model, you will see that there is a pan and zoom. So you click on this, you see there is a zoom icon that comes over here. So you can actually zoom and zoom in and zoom out like this. So I have zoomed in the particular scene so that as if the camera has zoomed in to the landscape. And in the second screen, what I have done, I have again clicked on pan and zoom, and I have moved it. So this is basically panning the camera. Okay, so see, in PowerPoint, can you imagine this type of camera zooming and panning is possible? See, it is just not a geometric move. If you see, I am panning as if the camera is panning. Isn't this wonderful? So I have taken this part of the scene. I like the scene very well, so I kept it like that. And let's see what happens. Since I have copy pasted, so I guess the transitions are already there. So if you see, the transitions are already there. If the transitions, the morph transitions are not there, you simply need to just select these 4 screens and you have to click on morph. Again, I have asked not to start the animation with the mouse click, but automatically, and say to move the things a bit more slowly, I will put it 5 seconds. Okay, so let's see, let's click on the slide number 6 and let's play it. See, I have not done anything. How much time it would have taken if we wanted to do this thing in a 3D software environment? Wouldn't be like 3 hours of rendering if your models are low res, or it might take days even if the models are of high res, it's not low poly. So you can see how very nicely, very easily these things can be done, right? So I will again show you, since I have just copy pasted this stuff, I will just quickly show you how we can take any one of the models over here. It will take a bit of time because it is a very high res 3D model. So if you see, this model is like this. Okay, so I can just simply scale it as per my need, right? If you want, you can change the background. I'm not going to do all those stuffs, right? And I will just simply copy this slide, go to the second slide, and I will go to 3D model, and I can take any one of these options. Okay, say I take this option, a bit top view with the angle, see, like this. I will take it like this, and I will also scale it a bit. Okay, so quickly I will select these two slides, go to transition, put on morph, and I will click on after, and again as usual 5 seconds. I am done. So I will go to the 10th slide and just play it. Right? So simple rotation can easily be done, a 3D rotation can easily be done. You can do this with products, you can do this with landscape, even you can have a 360-degree earth rotation. You can just go to, say, I think it is there in geology. Yeah, I can simply click on this earth, go to insert, I put this earth, scale it down a bit, and copy the same earth and put it. And what I will do, I want to show the earth rotating from North America to India. So the second screen has India, right? Simple. I have already done the transition, so I will not do anything over there. I will just quickly go and play this slide. So as the scene moves, the earth also rotates. I will play it again because I was blocking the animation. See. So okay dokie, we are done. So if you like the presentation, please like, share and comment. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you really like this video, I would be really interested to see what you are all doing with this fantastic tool, fantastic morph transition of PowerPoint. And yeah, as I told earlier also, Microsoft has not paid me to do this presentation, neither they have asked me to tell good words about morph transition. I wanted that all my subscribers understand basic tools and they can do wonderful stuffs without even spending a hell lot of money on 3D softwares. I guess you guys all liked the presentation. If you are facing some challenges in understanding any part of this presentation, do write to me. I will be really happy to answer all your queries. Till then, goodbye and have a very nice life. Stay happy and continue your learning. Thank you so much.